Hello everyone, welcome back. Tie the hairs in the sides like this in these small sections. Now on the sides, take the hairs and make the ponytail. Now fix this ribbon on the hairs and then making the plaits, will fix the ribbon on the sides and fold it to make a bun like this. Fix it by rolling the hairs upward and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs on the sides and then tie it. Now take small section on it and then make the plaits. Now divide the hairs and rotate it and then make a bow on the top like this. Now remove the plaits by removing the rubber bands. Now divide the hairs into two parts, make the plaits and fold it upward and it's ready. Next, on the sides, tie the hairs in the small section like this. Now join them on the back and then rotate it like this. After rotating it, tie all the hairs together by making a ponytail and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Put some beautiful clutches over it. Next, take the hairs on the top and tie it. Now make a heart-like shape or a bow-like shape like this and fix it. Now tie the hairs on the sides and then make the plaits on it by dividing the hairs. After making the plaits, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs, make a high ponytail and fix it using a rubber band. After tying it, divide the hairs into small section and make the plaits on it. Now again divide the hairs and tie them like this by taking the hairs, dividing them and then tie it on the top. Fix all the hairs together and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then take rest of the hairs and divide them into small sections. Make a triangle out of it and fix it. Now make a bun by using this bun making tool. Roll the hairs and fold it upward. Fix it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, fix this beautiful hair accessory on the hairs. Now to fix the ribbon on it, we will make the plaits on the rest of the hairs like this. Fix them one by one and tie all the hairs together. Fix them like this shown in the video. Fix the ribbons properly and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the sides like this into small sections. Now join them together like this. Fix the threads on it. Now after fixing the threads, we will make the plaits to fix the hairs like this. So take two sections of the threads and the one section has the hairs. Now fix them on the left side and it's ready. Next, tie the plaits on the hairs and then fold it and make a bun and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching a video.